Hey guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and check out the latest Android 4.1 Jelly Bean for the Galaxy S3, the over-the-air update that got leaked that had the build date September the 3rd. So as you can see, I have my two Galaxy S2s right here. First I have my main phone over here, which is running on, let's see, I don't actually remember in my head. It's pretty weird. I should already know these things. It's not Android 4.1 at least, but Android 4.1.4 XXLFB. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the setup over here. Turn off your device, remove the battery, and carefully insert your SIM card. Hit next. As you can see, the screen is kind of dark right now, but this is the main setup. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up next. Let's see, Central European time zone. Hit next. I'm not going to sign into my Samsung account, not going to sign into my Google account, and not going to do anything more. Gonna tap these two, so I'm gonna skip to type in my name, and no thanks, I don't want to use Dropbox. I'm just gonna go ahead and click finish. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna go to settings and open up the display. There we go. So finally we can see some things right now. So when I go here, access your notification pulling down, okay, don't show again. So when we go ahead and do it like this, do we see any first look comparison here, that something that looks different? From the Android 4.0.4 version. They kind of seem like they look the same over here. Oh, wait a sec, we have a new blocking mode. And I suppose that is like, I don't know, blocking mode is enabled. So you have some kind of new blocking mode. And also something I can see is when you scroll down in the update, as you clearly can see here, it is now showing on the new one, it's showing the time and the date up here. That's very sweet, because then I don't have to close it like I have to do on my Galaxy S3 and Android 4.0.4 and see the date. I can immediately see it when I go down like this. So that's something that's very, very sweet. Quick little small update. One thing I don't get with update is always when you go down like this and go down like this, this one always moves itself. Why is it always doing that? I think it's a little bit weird. This same brightness thing is web on both. You now also have the text emergency calls only, and this one looks a little bit different on the bottom, looks a little bit more sweet, but no extremely big update there. Also, instead of having let's see here, you can immediately go to, oh wait a second, I can see the date over here, okay, but they just made a little switch there. Also, settings is up here now instead of here, so when we go ahead and tap up here, if you go down to the top, you can see that they have changed some things over here, some small things in the menu, like we now have share and transfer. That's what they call it, and I think that they made some small changes here. S-Beam, a lot of data change. I'm not sure if they have where the data usage is though. Is it under more settings? No, I don't know. Oh wait a sec, here it is. So instead of just having device, on this one we have personalization, user management. So they made some small changes and accounts and system. So some pretty small changes here, more settings. Yeah, about the device. So now you have to tap one more time to go there to about device. Android 4.1.1, you can see XXDLI1, and if you go down, you can see the build number and all of those good things on these two devices. If you go ahead and go back, we can see, let's see here. Let's try to open up to see on all of those things that pop up also like that. They're also something that they've changed. If you go ahead and tap over here, you can see that we have create folder, search, edit page, add apps and widgets. That's something that they've added. And then also set wallpaper is something that they've added in that little small menu over there. When we go here and hold down on both, you can see it's a little bit different. Set wallpaper for add to home screen, and then you can quickly tap on folder or apps and widgets. So some small optimizations over there. When we go to the app settings, we can also see that it kind of look similar. This one also a little bit different. Download apps, download applications, view type, share apps. This one's called share app. But overall they seem to still have the same kind of settings over there. Widget should be kind of the same also. Alarm, all share cost, bookmarks. Maybe a few different widgets over here. And can I feel any difference, you know, with this Project Butter? That's something I don't know if Project Butter is in this over-the-air update with TouchWiz. Maybe I can feel it a little bit, that it's a little bit quicker, but then we should also remember that I'm using this phone, I have a lot of apps and everything installed. This one is just a fresh, clean install. But yeah, it is a little bit more smooth, I think. So that's a very, very quick update or quick look here on the over-the-air update. You can go ahead and install it right now. I did install it on my PC using, you know, Odin, but I tried to do it on a Mac, but it was just so confusing for me. But yeah, just a quick look. If you like this video, please leave it a like below, and what you look forward to in Android 4.2. Yes, looking forward to it. Are you excited about this update? I think it's pretty sweet. But I'm not sure if they have Jelly Bean thing included in this version. But yeah, just have an awesome day right now, and I will see you all in the next one, hopefully. Yeah, bye bye.